Hey, are you looking for a really easy tailgate meal? Instead of over-the-top chili, try SuckleBusters Chili Over the Top. Just use our cornbread recipe. It's on the SuckleBusters website. After your cornbread's ready, take your leftover chili and you just spread it across the top of the cornbread, just like this. You want to spread it out evenly. Make sure the cornbread is fully covered. Next step is just take your shredded cheese, spread it out over the entire top, covering the chili. It's going to help hold everything all together when you put it on the grill. Last step, can't forget, we're in Texas, chopped jalapenos. That always takes chili to the next level. Now it's fully assembled, ready to go to the grill. Chili over the top cornbread is all done. It took about 15 minutes on a 300-degree grill. All you need to do is just serve it up. I just slice it out. I like to serve it in bowls. It's super easy recipe. If you need a quick and easy recipe with leftover chili, this is really one of the easiest ones. I put it in a bowl so I can add a little extra chili on there, just like this. Serve it with a spoon. Put a little sour cream on top, and this chili on top is ready to go. Hey, let's try it out and see how it tastes. Get a little extra sour cream. Make sure you get the cornbread, the chili. Oh, I get the creaminess of the sour cream, cheese, chili. Awesome chili. This sweet cornbread recipe is awesome. A little bit of jalapeno. All together, very good, very hearty. Check out the full recipes up there.